Hello, this is a charger port repair replacement. This happens to be a Samsung board. Works out because the port is away from the main components and I had this board laying around, so I'll show you on this. What you're going to need is a board holder of some sort. I like to use a little back cover, aluminum. This is from an old phone. To shield the components you don't want to get too hot. Some flux, a replacement charger, USB port, however you want to call it. And I like to wear a glove for my tweezer hand because I don't like to burn it. And a little bit of, start by putting some flux on the copper connectors on the port. Let's put that to the side there. Put the flux away. And then you're going to use your heat gun on high. And you're going to heat up the port. Make sure to not touch any of the other components, as a lot of that flux is going to melt too, and you don't want to move something. Or flux, solder, sorry. Give it a couple seconds, try again. Don't try to yank it off. It should come off easy. There it is. Keep the heat on the board. Pick up your new charger port. Line it up. There it is. Perfect. That's it. Now let it cool down. Put your phone back together and try it out. Thank you for watching.